In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that, and install free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!